Hi everyone. So today once again, I'm checking here the dishwasher machine. So today I will show you how I did fix mine. So actually, when I was turning it on, it would turn on. Everything is fine. I just press it, the normal sound when it's turned on. And then I would put the dishes. It would start. You could hear the water going, at least a bit. And after like 10 minutes or so, it would do a noise, like this sound starting, just a beep. And then the on and off button would be blinking. And it would have this echo 50 and this 55, the first and the third light always on. I read a lot and it was saying to disassemble these, could be some bad contacts or something, so that was not right. I found a page of Whirlpool where it shows some error codes, so it could be related to that. I think not all models have the same error codes, but I will put the link in the description for you to check. So for me, what I was able to find then in the end, according to this Whirlpool page, is that they have a lot of errors like F1, F2, F3, according to the lights. For example, in this case, this Whirlpool ADG 201, the model, just has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights on to be able to turn on. So basically it has in the page like F, I think 13, 12. So here we don't have those ones. So, but looking to those ones, it had this, I'll put a link, an image to show what exactly was error. So then you can see if you have the same. And for me, it was F1. I counted these as F1 and F3. And then checking their web page, it was something related to flooding or the water not going. I will put here as well the exact name, what it was saying, the error. I don't recall anymore. But it was related to that. So the suggestion that I was checking was that you open and then you need to, because of these two errors, you need to clean the filter. So I will show you how I did clean it, and but that didn't help so much. So I will show you what I did. So let's take this one out, and here you have the filter. So basically you just twist it and pull it, and you'll see that it has a bit of water, and as you can see, it's already a bit dirty. So this needs to be cleaned from time to time. You need to rinse it and wash it well, and then you have here the cover that comes out as well, and that's it. Then here in the center, it still has a bit of water. Maybe I can try to show you with the camera. I don't know if you will be able to see, but let me grab it and let me try to show you. You can see it doesn't actually, there is not so much light. I'll try to use my phone just to put some light, just to see if you can see something. Okay, so it has light. You see, it has like kind of a hole in the middle. Now it has a bit of water, and it has this black thing on the right. So actually this black thing, it's where the water goes out. But as well, and let me put down the camera on here again. Let's see if it will hopefully hold in place. Okay. Putting in a very awkward place, but hopefully it will not fall down. So here I will show you like this because probably it's easier. So for me, after I did clean these filters outside, that I just put this one and the other one, I did clean it because, you know, you can gather kind of like this gunk and so on. After I cleaned it, it didn't help much and I would get the same error. So what I did, I checked, because here you have I will show you here on this side, you have here the black, let's say the black thing. And what I noticed was that here, like to this side over here, there is a hole and you can fit kind of your finger and it goes very deep. I think it's where the water gets warm up and it cycles. I'll try to find an image to see if there is anything like that online, but I think I was not able to find anything online. So what I did, and when I put my finger there, it was full of gunk and stuff. So I think the water could not flow there and could be an issue. Probably there is the pump of the water. I'm not sure. So I'm not technical on this kind of thing, but this is what I found. What I did then, I grabbed some kind of wire. As well, I tried to fit here some old toothbrush and cleaning these until the maximum that I could reach. Some kind of gunk came out, and then I tried to put it on like empty without anything, and it did turn on and it did clean everything. So I think that sometimes even the filter might not filter everything, and then some stuff can come here to this hole on the bottom. So the hole actually, it's over here. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, it's like totally in the middle, and then you can see even my finger now has some bit of gunk. I need to wash it. Yeah, and it goes quite deep. So my suggestion is to try to clean it as much as you can. And actually and you see it's like really dirty. So, and actually, let me wash it. And actually it's not so much here it starts here on the bottom, but then goes here to the side. So just try to fill it in, like probably better with the hand, just to see it where it goes. And then try to use some kind of old toothbrush or some kind of wire, but that is not very sharp, you know, that you can like put it in and try to clean it a bit, and then you will be able to see that at least some gunk probably will come out. And then I believe that was what was stucking it, because these errors, one was related to this floating and probably not cleaning. So yeah, so for me, this was how I was able to fix when you have the first light on and the third light on. Depends of your machine, then probably have other lights, and then it means something else. But for me, this was how I did solve it. And since then, this happened already kind of a month ago, and then everything was fine since that time. So, but I believe from time to time we need to clean this kind of thing, because sometimes there is this debris or food, and it can pass in the filter, because the filter doesn't really filter everything. You see here in the bottom, it's kind of bit, you know, see there is a lot of small holes, and some food and some stuff can pass there. So yeah, so it's important to clean it. So for me, this is how I fixed it. I have some video where I opened this as well. You can see it, but for my case, it didn't. There was no issue here with this control board at all. So the issue was floating, but it was hard for me to find that page. I will put the page here in the description, so you will be able to see. So hopefully this helped someone. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.